Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an installation that we've just carried out of a security upgrade for the Jaguar iPace. If you're new to our YouTube channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, we're going to be jumping in the car right now. Let's go. So we're now sat inside the Jaguar iPace and I'm ready to show you guys exactly how the product actually works on the vehicle. We've got the factory key in my hand and we've now got the Autowatch Ghost 2 immobilisation system installed on the vehicle. In essence, it's a really easy to use product. Basically what happens and what it's doing is writing to the car's brain. In essence, telling it not to start using this key, which is quite cool. So it's quite an integrated solution, completely hidden away. There's nothing on display that tells you that the product is installed. So in essence, I'm going to try to start the car as I normally would. So jump in the car, obviously being an electric vehicle, a lot of the systems turn on automatically already. But I put my foot on the brake and I press the start button and the vehicle looks as though it's started up. It's ready to go, ignition turns off, and then we go to engage drive. But the car actually turns off, and doesn't matter how many times I try to engage drive with the vehicle on, nothing happens. Reason is because this Ghost Immobiliser is actually sending a kind of a engine start inhibit to the vehicle to stop it starting fully, stop it engaging gear and keeping your asset live directly in your possession. We also generally partner this with a tracker or something like that, as well as a sort of combo package for the vehicles, but overall a really nice solution. So in essence, how the product works, I've got the factory key. What I'm going to be doing is basically turn the ignition on by pressing the start stop button. Then for demonstration purposes, I'm using my rear left window. I'm going to press that up 4 times, and what I'm going to get is I'm going to get 2 flashes of the indicator on my actual display at the front. However, the indicators on the outside of the car aren't flashing. I then put my foot on the brake and I press start, and the car can now engage into drive and I'm ready to drive away. So as easy as that is to start the vehicle, I'm not doing anything special here, guys. It's literally as easy as that. 4 button presses after you press the start button, and then you can move away and drive your vehicle. This code is basically set in a unique code that you guys can set yourselves between 4 to 20 button presses. Really unique. You can customize this with pretty much quite a few buttons on the vehicle. In terms of what we've got, you've got all of the stuff on your driver's window. You've got your passenger window up, you've got your driver window up, you've also got your mirror adjustment as well, plus seat memory. So you've got quite a few different buttons that you can configure yourself in your own unique way, and that code is stored directly in your head. You don't need to share that with anyone, because also one of the things that they've talked about and what they've thought about on the whole Autowatch Ghost system is actually the service setting. So you've got something called service mode that some of you might be thinking ahead a little bit and going, well, how does that product work if I want to give my car to friend, family, garage, or a service or something like that, but don't want to give the code away? You can set into service mode, which is basically pressing a certain button in the vehicle 5 times, which you'll go through on the handover procedure. Easy as that. It then doesn't require a code, unless it has got security features built into that. Obviously, if that person who you did give the car to does drive the vehicle over a certain speed and over a certain time period, it will actually, next time it needs to stop the vehicle, next time it needs to start the vehicle, it will need the unique code to actually start up. Obviously, they won't have that present. And that's where recovery and tracking systems can come in and actually assist with getting the vehicle back to you. But overall, this is a really nice solution for something that's completely hidden away. But overall, it's easy to use is the main thing. It's secure, it looks after your asset, keeps it in your possession. It's just that extra peace of mind. Obviously, these vehicles are valued at quite a high price tag now. They need to be looked after, a bit like your home is. You put CCTV alarm systems on, look after your car at the same point. All our work gets carried out in workshop facilities in Cambridge. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hopefully you've enjoyed the video, you found it useful. And if you're interested in something like this, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through other options with you, but also go through this option for the Autowatch Ghost 2 Immobiliser on the Jaguar iPace. But if you're another car, we've got plenty of other videos, more coming out. We're pretty much going to be posting on pretty much a daily basis now, so make sure you stay tuned, press subscribe so you don't miss another one of our install videos to go through a little bit more about what's available on your vehicle. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.